Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and checking out another video. If you have not already, please make sure to hit subscribe down below so that you do see all of my future videos and unboxings. So today I'm excited. We have a new box to my channel to unbox with you guys. It is from Julep. It is a monthly subscription box. And what it is a customized selection of Korean beauty, skincare, makeup. So that is really awesome. They do have one thing unique to them from some of the other beauty boxes is that you can actually go in and you can select what products you get. So, you know, that to me is a really unique twist on a beauty box. You can choose what you want, or you could let them surprise you. So you have the option. If you like the surprise factor, then they can do that. Or like I said, if you want to go in and be able to customize exactly what you're getting, you have that option as well. They do offer free shipping plus 20% off any of the items in their store. The box is a value of $40 or more. And it is $24.99 a month, or if you do go ahead and prepay, you know, for 3, 6 months, a year, you can get it at $19.99 a month. I will leave a link to their website down below. I will also leave a link, and this is what I did for my first box, because I wanted to give it a try, a code that will get you your first month's box free. All you have to do is pay $3.99 shipping. So how awesome is that? So let's go ahead here. Like I said, we have the Julep box and get our little box cutter. For some reason, every time I say box cutter when I make these videos, it pulls out my southern twang. So, okay, so I really like that their box has a little saying when you open it. And it says, if you can put it on, you can wear it, you can pull it off. You can put it on, you can pull it off. If you can put it on, you can pull it off. I'm stumbling, you guys, I'm sorry. So, and it says hashtag brave pretty. So, let's go ahead here and take this out and take a look at the products. There is a coupon in here for 50% off your next purchase. Let's see what this is. This looks like a little pamphlet just telling you how you can customize your box and everything. So that is great to have a little informational stuff. Okay, so the first thing, and I did pick these items, is this is really neat to me. This is a deep hydration sheet mask system, and it has 3 steps, I'm sorry. So the first step is the Essence Ampoule Gel, preps the skin for maximum absorption, and then you actually then have step 2, which will be the Natural Biocellulose Gel Sheet Mask, deeply hydrates and repairs, and this is called Triple Quench. And then the third and final step is Sleeping Pack, which seals in nutrients and hydration. So that is really, really awesome. So again, 3 steps and you're hydrated. Deep Hydration Sheet Mask System, again, was the name of this item. So let's move right along. Then we have Feels Like Velvet Full Coverage Eyeshadow Duo. And we're going to go ahead and open it so I can show you guys. And this was in the color Dark and Stormy. How beautiful are these colors? They are, one is like a darker silver, one is lighter. So this is absolutely gorgeous. And I do like that it has the mirror, but they are so pretty. And we're gonna do a little swatch. Whoa, they are super, super pigmented. Like a little goes a long way here. You see the swatches? So this was the darker shade and the lighter. And that was literally one swipe. They are super pigmented. Now I've got shiny all over my hands from trying to get it off my fingers. Okay, so moving right along here, we have our third and final item. It's Whipped Matte Lip Mousse, paraben free. And this is in the shade Pillow Talk. Again, I did select all of these items. This is why I do not have lipstick on yet, because I wanted to try this. Okay. It's in a really pretty package. So we are gonna go ahead here. Ooh, that's a unique applicator. So we are gonna go ahead. I really like this color. It's neutral and so soft. I mean, it is absolutely so smooth and creamy and just amazing. I really, for a more liquid matte type of lipstick, this is super, super creamy and I love it. And this shade, I think I did a pretty good job. Sometimes, you know, picking out shades online, you know, they may look one way, but then when you get them, you're like, oh, that was a little darker, a little lighter. But this was absolutely beautiful. And again, this is the color Pillow Talk. So those three items I this month was able to get for just the $3.99 plus shipping. I want to say it was like $4.23 total. And you know, that's really awesome that this is a company that is offering that, where you can try it for that price. And then if you like the items, you can obviously continue your subscription. Again, I will link the website down below, as well as the code just for you, just for the number 4, just for you, so that if you want to give it a try, you can get your first box for free for just paying the $3.99 shipping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe and enter my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And until the next video, I will see you guys soon.